So a big update coming in the Mumbai hit-and-run case. The accused Mihir Shah's father, Rajesh Shah, who is a Shinde Sena leader, has been granted bail. He was arrested just last night, so in less than 24 hours, he's already been released on bail. And this even as his son, Mihir Shah, is completely untraceable, still on the run, still absconding. The cops have no leads where he is, and amid that, his father is out on bail. Remember that the white BMW involved in the accident, involved in the killing of a woman and grievously injuring her husband, who you see on the left of your screens there. They have, in fact, the BMW belongs to Rajesh Shah, to the Shinde Sena Neta, and now he's out on bail in less than 24 hours. His son is absconding. So is the rest of the family, reportedly. Rajesh Shah was the only one who was in custody, and now he's out on bail. So there will be questions on how the Mumbai police will actually go ahead and nab Mihir Shah now, the main accused, who so far remains absconding. Let's play out for you what the victim's husband has had to say. He too was there and narrowly escaped death in this particular incident.
मैं प्रशासन से यही बात करूंगा कि जैसे मेरे औरत को खींच के लेके गया है गाड़ी के नीचे डाल के, वैसा मैं उसको खींच के लेके जाएगा। सजा होके क्या सजा होएगी? मेरी औरत तो चली गई, मेरा घर उजड़ गया, मेरे बीबी, मेरा लड़का विड़का देखो रो रहा है, माँ माँ करके रो रहा है। क्या करूं मैं, बताओ? न्याय की उम्मीद करते हैं आप सरकार से? न्याय अभी क्या न्याय बताओ ना, अभी 24 घंटा होके गया, अभी वो मिला नहीं।
Heartbreaking, really, to hear from the husband, who himself is a victim of this hit and run. Fortunately lived to tell the tale, but has lost his wife. So you can only imagine the pain that he is going through. He witnessed this unfold before his eyes. And today, seeing the fact that the main accused, the man behind the wheels, managed to abscond, is still on the run, and his father now is out on bail. Imagine how the victim's family will be feeling right now. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live with more details on this. Mustafa, less than 24 hours, the father, an influential man, a politician, a member of the Shinde Sena party, has already managed to get bail.
Well, actually, that really depends on what case police has made out against him. As far as the facts are concerned, I think Mihir Shah was driving the car, and his father, Rajesh Shah, was present inside the car. On that basis, he was arrested, and one of the main important reasons for arresting Rajesh Shah also was that Mihir Shah has yet to be arrested and is absconding. And as the assembly session is going on, Rajesh Shah is associated with Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister's party. A lot of questions are being raised on this entire issue, especially given the hit and run case. So clearly, the attempt by the police to make some pressure on Mihir to surrender, as his father was arrested, but given the circumstances and the evidence laid down by the police, the court has granted his father a bail. Now the big question will be, especially on the Mumbai police, when will Mihir will be arrested, because it's been more than a day and the hunt is on, but clearly he has managed to remain evasive.
There was one family member who was caught by the Mumbai police. Now he's been granted bail. And you're right, Mustafa, there will be questions asked about what kind of sections the Mumbai police actually imposed here, that he's managed to get bail in the snap of a finger in less than 24 hours. We're going to be tracking the latest on this. Unfortunately, there's absolutely no clue of exactly where the main accused, Mihir Shah, 24-year-old son of the Shinde Sena Neta, currently is.